Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Exercise 5.3, question number 7. Today I am going to discuss, right? Yeah, what it is? Root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 equal to 0. Here what is your a? Already I discussed, right? What is your a? Coefficient of x square is your a. A equal to root 2. What is your B? B equal to coefficient of x, that is 1. C is equal to root 2. C is equal to root 2. Now, using the quadratic formula, yeah, anyone? Very good. B square minus 4AC. Then D is equal to 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. A is also root 2, C is also root 2, which is equal to 1 minus root 2 into root 2, you know, the law of exponent, using that you will get 2. So 8, which is equal to minus 7, right? Now, we are going to get find the roots of the equation, right children? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. What is the general form of quadratic equation, children? Anyone? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? You are comparing the given equation with your general. Then only you arrived a equal to root 2, b equal to 1, c is equal to root 2. Right? Now, x is equal to minus, what is your b? 1, plus or minus root minus 7 divided by 2 into root 2, because your a is root 2. Now, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 into minus 1. Minus 7, I split and wrote it in the root for your understanding purpose, right? Divided by 2 root 2. Then x is equal to what is your root here? X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 into I divided by, see, root 7 divided by 2 root 2, right? Now, therefore, the roots are, therefore, the roots are x is equal to minus 1 plus root 7I divided by 2 root 2, comma, minus 1 minus root 7I divided by 2 root 2. Okay. Now I am going to move to the question number 8. What it is given? Question number 8. Anyone? Yeah. Root 3 x square. Now I am going to write the question number 8. Right. Question number 8. Root 3 x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0, right? 3 root 3 equal to 0. What is your A? A equal to root 3, B equal to minus root 2, C is equal to 3 root 3. That is, coefficient of x square is your A, coefficient of x is your B, constant is C. Then D is equal to b square minus 4ac. discriminant. D is represented discriminant. Now, D is equal to what is your B? Minus root 2 the whole square minus 4 into root 3 into 3 root 3, which is equal to 2. Minus into minus plus root 2 into root 2, 2. Minus 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. Right? What it is? Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 4, 36, which is equal to minus 34. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b. What is your b here? Minus root 2. So minus into minus plus root 2 plus or minus root minus 34 divided by 2 root 3. Right? Now we are going to write a solution part. Right, children? See, x is equal to root 2 plus or minus root 34 into minus 1 divided by 2 root 3, right? 2 root 3. Now, x is equal to root 2 plus or minus root 34. The minus root minus 1, you write it as I divided by 2 root 3. Therefore, the roots are to match with positive one time, negative one time. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to root 2 plus root 34i divided by 2 root 3 comma root 2 minus root 34i divided by 2 root 3. Right? I hope you people understood. Now I am going to move to question number 9. What it is? Question number 9, you see. Question number 9, x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. What is your A? A equal to 1. B equal to 1. C is equal to 1 by root 2. What is your A? Coefficient of x square. What is your B? Coefficient of x. What is your C? Constant. Now, D is equal to B square minus 4AC. D is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 by root 2. Right? Now, what is it? What it is? D is equal to 1 square, right? D equal to what? 1 square. 1 minus 4 by root 2. 1 minus 4 by root 2. That you can write it as C here, which is equal to 1 minus 2 into root 2 into root 2. What I did here, anyone you have to guess and say what I did here? 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That 2 I kept as such, 1 alone I split and write it in the form of square root without disturbing the previous. Right? Now, it is equal to, sorry children, the root 2 is applicable only for 2 into root 2 into root 2. I put a common. No, that is not correct. Right. Then what is your D now? D is equal to 1 minus 2 root 2. What is your D? D is equal to 1 minus 2 root 2. Next, how to find the roots? Anyone? Yeah, very good. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. Now, x is equal to x is equal to what is your b here? B is 1. So, minus 1 plus or minus root. What is your root here? What is your d here? 1 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2 into 1. Right, children? Yeah. What it is? Now, see here. What is your A? A is 1. You have no issue in this, right? Now, x is equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus minus I am going to take it as a common in the root minus of 2 root 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 root 2, how I wrote here? Minus of 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Now, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2 minus 1. The minus 1 you written as into I divided by 2. Divided by 2. Right? I hope you people understood. Right, children? Therefore, the roots are x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2 root 2 minus 1 into I divided by 2. Right? Two people understood or not? Say yes or no. Yeah, very good. Now I am going to move to the question number 10. You have to split and write, no? Right. That I am going to write it here. X is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 I divided by 2 comma minus 1 minus root 2 root 2 minus 1 into I divided by 2. You split and write the root, right? Question number 10. What it is? X square plus x by root 2 plus 1 equal to 0, right? Yeah, you have to cross multiply or you keep as such, nothing is wrong. If you cross multiply, you feel easy. The previous also you can try in this way, right? Root 2 x square, because the right hand side you have 0, it won't be affected when you when you are taking LCM. X plus root 2 equal to 0. Now what is your A here? Anyone? Coefficient of x square. A equal to root 2. What is your B? Coefficient of x, that is 1. C is equal to root 2. Now D is equal to B square minus 4AC. D is equal to 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. which is equal to 1 minus 8 equal to minus 7. Right, children? Next, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. X is equal to, your b is 1, so minus 1 plus or minus root minus 7 divided by 2 root 2. Right? Next, you know root minus 7, how we want to write? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Root minus 7 can be written as root 7i. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7i divided by 2 root 2. Right? Therefore, the roots are. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to minus 1 plus root 7i divided by 2 root 2, comma, minus 1 minus root 7i divided by 2 root 2. I hope you people understood, right? That's all the exercise got over. Now tomorrow we will discuss a new concept. Right, children? Did you understand? Yeah. You people go through the concept what I taught. If you have any doubt, I will clarify tomorrow. Thank you, children.